Saiasmi Gupta. I'm 9 years old and co-founder of tennisforkids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it. And if you're in doubt, then also comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it right now. So today's topic, as you could see in the beginning of the video, it's Part-3. But here in this video, it's a surprise. You must be thinking, it's a Part-3. What's the surprise in this, right? But there is a surprise. Can I tell you the surprise? Yeah. Okay. So the surprise is that in this video only, I'm going to tell you till part 5. So 3 chapters. Okay. Part 3, part 4 and part 5. So part 1 will be taintless items. Part 2 will Part 3 will be taintless items. Part 4 will be like part 3 will be taintless items. Part 4 will be unlist item, and part 5 will be that's remove list items. So let's get started. Haha, this is another surprise. Okay, let's get started. Change item value. To change the value of a specific item, refer to the index number. This means if you want to change a value, you will have to refer its index number. Okay. Now, if I want to change banana from blackcurrant, what will I do? I will first make a list, okay, in which there should be banana, and it should have the index number 1. Then in the second statement, you will say this list 1. That in this list, the index number 1, I want to change it with blackcurrant, and then print this list. And now the answer will be apple, blackcurrant, and cherry. See, apple, blackcurrant, cherry. Apple, blackcurrant, cherry. Now, if I give you the question that how to, instead of blackcurrant, how to change any kiwi, what will you do? How will you do it? Yes, my guys, that's correct. It will be easy. Just in the place of blackcurrant, you will write kiwi, and it will come then the apple, kiwi, and cherry. See, wait and see. Apple, kiwi, cherry. This must be clear, okay? But another doubt would be coming in your mind, right? When I was reading this, I was young. When I was reading this, I also had the question which you must be having. So my question is that you don't want to remove only one value. You want to remove 2 values, okay, from this. What do you say? I don't remember what to tell you. Oh yeah. So the doubt would be coming in your mind that you want to change 2 values like apple and banana. So how to do it? So this will be coming soon in this video only. Come on, let's see. Change the range of item value. To change the value of items within a specific range, the final list with the new values and refer to the range of index numbers where you want to insert the new value. Okay. Now let me tell you. One upon three is here. Okay. So now if you want to remove change apple and banana with blackcurrant and watermelon, how to do it? Let me tell you. Yeah, yeah. Oh, let me tell you. Yeah. So this is big list right now. Yeah, okay. Then it says this list 1 by 2. That means the index number 1 till index number 2, which is all. Now I told you before also in part 1 and part 2 that this number which is here, this index of the value which is here, it's not added, but it's oh sorry. uh, yeah. So this is that one that the index, like I told you that it doesn't add this number, but it adds. Change this number, but it um, like changes till it's before number. Okay, item value. Okay, so now here it's happening that it will not change 3. Okay, it will change just banana and cherry. And I've given here blackcurrant and watermelon. Okay, so now see what will happen here. Here it will now. If you like that, if you will do like this, the answer will be apple, excuse me, blackcurrant, watermelon, cherry, orange, kiwi, and mango. See, apple, blackcurrant, watermelon, orange. Wait, what is this basically? Wait, 1 by 3, right? Oh yeah, apple, blackcurrant, watermelon, orange, kiwi, and mango. This is printed, and this is what I told you. Okay. If you insert more items than you replace, the new item will be inserted where you specified, and the remaining items will be moved accordingly. Oh, this is it. So wait, I'll tell you. What is this? It is basically that over here it will print only one, right? It should print only one value. But here, if you have given more than one value, then what will it do? It will print the second value after after this value only together, like after blackcurrant it's watermelon, and it will move cherry on the third number or any number, right? Like you have the situation. You have made a list, okay? Then you said in the list 1 by 2, okay? And blackcurrant and watermelon, okay? So now blackcurrant and watermelon, it could only print one, right? But now, for the situation, it will print watermelon also, and it will move cherry on the side, and after blackcurrant, it will print watermelon, okay? Here replacing, but we will not find banana anywhere because we are changing it with blackcurrant and watermelon, right? So see, when I run the code, what happens? Apple, blackcurrant, watermelon, and cherry. This is really easy, right? Let's go on. Oh dear, I'm feeling too thirsty. Let me drink water. That's better. Yeah, sorry, excuse me. Yeah. Note, the length of the list will change when the number of the items inserted does not match the number of items replaced. Note, the length of the list will change when the number of items inserted does not match to the number of its replaced. Yeah, I told this to you. If you insert less than you replace, the new items will be inserted where you specified, and the remaining items will move accordingly. Obviously, I understood. This is a tricky one, actually. Oh yeah, I understood. Um, huh. So what is in this? It says you made a list, okay. Then you set this list 1 by 3, okay. That is 1. You want to change items till 3, okay. So now we wrote 3 because we wanted to change banana and cherry. But here we have not given the like 2 value. We have only given 1 value. So now what will it do? It will remove banana and cherry, and it will just print apple and watermelon. Okay. So answer will be apple and watermelon. See. Oh, this is last of insert item. This is last of change list items, and then we'll go on part 4. Part 4. Okay. Yeah. So insert items. To insert a new list item without replacing any of the existing values, we can use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. Insert watermelon as the third item. Oh. 1 second. Yeah, so now this is inserting. Okay. Now, what is this thing that you have made a variable? Sorry, you have made a list, okay? And then you said this list and insert, okay? And then you said on the second index, I want watermelon and print this list. Now, if you like code like this, the answer will be apple, banana, watermelon, and cherry. Cherry will be moved. Poor little cherry. No. As a result of the example above, the list will now contain 4 items, right? Okay, guys. So, I'm feeling my throat is aching. So, I will be making today only add list and remove list items video today only together after just some time. So okay guys, meet you in that video. Okay, see you, tata, bye bye for now.